I was hoping to bring a fishing video for you guys today, but the wind is just nasty. But before we go any further, right here is a buffalo carp I caught out of the Ohio River yesterday in rising sun. Right now, we pulled over into this place right here. It's a sport complex here in Versailles, so we can use the restroom and get a drink of waters. Then Angie noticed there's a walking trail. I ain't gonna pass that up. You know better than that. So this walking trail is called Tyson Memorial Sports Complex. It is made possible by rising sun, man. Well, we don't know how far it goes. I don't have my walking shoes on today, but that's okay.
I'll take it easy on you.
Oh, she's gonna take it easy on me. Ain't that so sweet of her? But we get it and we'll see what we think and we'll do her. You guys know how I am on my new walking trails, a place I've never been. Never been in this trail. I didn't even know it existed until, what, 15 minutes ago? 15 minutes ago, that's when we figured it out or seen it. I love adventuring new trails. And yeah, I won't be fishing today. A lot of people fish in the wind. I freaking hate it. Yesterday when we fished the Ohio River, we was fishing with Sam and Missy. That wind was so horrible. Oh my gosh, it was just unbelievable. And plus nothing to break the wind when you're at the Ohio River. It's bad again today, but tomorrow and the next day and the next day, I still have off and we're gonna do some fishing there. No vehicles on the hiking trail. Well, shucks. This place is absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna get some footage of it, but I'm gonna basically do a a talk over on the footage I get. So I'm gonna stop right here so I can get some of this footage and get some of the footage down there by the bridge, and then I will do a talk over on that. All right guys, you ain't gonna believe how beautiful this place is. I hope my mod is blocking most of the wind, but as you can see, it is nothing but beauty. Woods, grass, whatever else have you. Boy, that wind's bad. It is absolutely gorgeous, man. And we're getting ready to head up to a bridge. I get some footage of that too and probably do a talk over. I'm not saying that right. My brain's probably back in the Defiance still. But yeah, we're gonna get some bridge hits coming right up here in a few minutes. We'll get some footage of that. But my God, I can't get over how freaking beautiful this is. I did not expect this. Still have no idea how long the trail is though. I haven't got the freaking slightest clue. Kind of wish I had my dog still. She would have loved this trail. And if I did, I definitely would pick up after her. This bridge is fantastic. I was hoping it would go over some water, but it didn't go over any water. It's just basically looking out on the open field and looking at the beauty. But yeah, I'm off the bridge right now, and it looks to me, I'm down a little bit further, it curves around, but I'm not exactly sure how far down it's going to go. So we're going to make a decision down here and go with that. But this place is fantastic. Oh my Lord, is it ever. It's just, you cannot deny the beauty of this place. You just can't do it. Oh my Lord. Something like this, I'd give anything if it was in my town. Now, for me to drive out here and hit this every day, it would probably take, about 40 minutes, maybe 45 minutes to get here. So I may come out here and do this again one day. Angie thinks it goes up and goes right back into the back part of the parking lot. So we will find out, but holy smokes. Angie, come over here, hon. We're gonna see about getting a thumbnail right here. Yeah, this will be a thumbnail, and we videotape. Here you go. Hold that thumb up again, baby. That way I get a snapshot. That'd be a good thumbnail. Maybe I gotta get a thumbnail of me kissing me wife. That'd be nice, huh? Sorry guys, I had to get a thumbnail. I got suntan lotion on my head, and when I sweat sometimes, it gets in my eye and it burns like hell. But guys, yeah, I was hoping to do some fishing today. The wind's not bad at the second, but holy. If you can see that if you can see the American flag over yonder, it is pinged. And I do not like fishing in high wind. We did yesterday. I pretty much guarantee Sam and Missy, I know Missy wasn't liking that wind because when it blew, it had a nip to it. But I still caught that beautiful fish. Oh my Lord. Yes, I'm telling you now, Ohio River, if you want to catch large fish, that's where you go. And I think I said it earlier, was in Rising Sun. All right, guys, we're gonna walk up a little further. And when I get done with the trail, I will give my conclusion, how I feel about it. Okay, I got my selfie stick extended. I'm gonna hold it way up, so you guys get a general idea what I got right behind me. Oh my Lord. And we'll just walk. Oh, that darn suntan lotion in my eyes is burning my eye. I'm crying out of one eyeball, man. My apologies, I show so many walking videos on new walking trails, but guys, that's what I do. If you guys been watching me or you know me personally, this is what I do. I am a walker. And yes, we on vacation, and when I'm on vacation does not mean my walking stops. It means we go to new places we never been to and try them trails. So I hope you guys understand why you're seeing, excuse me, dang blasted. I think you're right. I think it is allergies. Oh, but why only one eyeball?
That's the side
oh man, something is kicking my butt through here. It could very well be the allergies. Okay guys, sorry about that. We're gonna go ahead and continue on, and walking through that bit right there kicked my butt a little bit. Not on the walking, it's just, holy smokes. I guess I got allergies. What's funny about that, most of my life I've never had allergies until this year. If I was hacking and coughing, eyes are burning and watering, I feel better now. All right, we're getting ready to make the right and cut up towards the beginning of the park. I haven't hit the end yet, but I'm thinking it's about approximately a 2-mile hike. I haven't hit the end yet, but yeah, give or take, guys. I may be off on that, but I will give my conclusions at the end. And you know what's so nice out here, Ange? We're the only ones.
Yep.
Nobody's around us. Nobody's anywhere nearby, not even close. We're in the middle of nowhere walking a walking trail on a beautiful, well, can I say it's summer? What?
Yeah, it's close enough to summer.
Angie sees something. I'll be right back. Okay, I misunderstood Ange. She was like, it's close to summer. I thought she was pointing out something like maybe a deer behind me. Oh, looky here. We found us a pond. I'll show you guys real quick. Would you be allowed to fish this pond? I would imagine so. I don't see no sign that says no fishing. But yeah, just kind of snuck up on us there, didn't it? Nice little pond. Very refreshing. Would I ever fish there? Probably not, but still a nice little pond. All right, guys, I think we're getting close to the end of the trail. We will see. We're almost at the bitter end of the trail. A few more turns and along the straightaway, and we'll be at the end. Also got some cattails, some hay, some beauty shot right there. But guys, honestly, I tell you what, I'm gonna be honest with you. Let's stop for a second. If it wasn't for me dang near choking down there, and if it wasn't for Angie not being a walker, I say let's turn around and go back the other way and come back out. In other words, completely repeat the trail and end up back at the Defiant. And by the way, if you're new to my videos, I call my SUV, which is a 2023 Equinox, I call it the Defiant. But yeah, I say let's go in reverse and go back where we came. but I don't feel like choking over there, and I'm sure Angie would be okay with it. She'll be good and tuckered out by the time we get back to the car, but I don't want to choke over there again. That was kind of spooky a little bit. My eyes started watering, started getting choked, and I'm like, I kept hacking. Angie says a lot of people that never had allergies before are getting them this year, I think you said?
This year and last year.
This year and last year. I've never suffered with allergies before until this year. Okay guys, here in about 5 more steps, we did it. Here, we completed the whole trail.
I haven't.
Oh, we hit what? Angie says we got to go up this way and go. Oh shucks, we didn't complete the trail, did we? Oh, it curves around. My bad. It's only about maybe 300 feet to the Defiant, but okay, okay.
Finish it on.
I didn't know it curved around like this, and that'd be down yonder there, would be where we started. In about 50 feet, I could officially say I did the whole trail now. 50 more feet. But guys, here in a minute, when I get ready to go to the Defiant, I will give my closing thoughts. Ooh, let me adjust this. Here we go. Of what I think of this trail. It's obvious what I think, isn't it? Come on. You guys know what I think, right? Do I even really need to say it? Okay, so far this vacation, we hit 3 trails. We hit the trail in Batesville. We hit the trail, Bright Meadows Trail. And we hit this one in Versailles. This is probably my favorite out of all 3. I absolutely love this trail. I will be coming back here. Definitely, and doing it many laps. I don't know how far the laps are. I have no clue. I don't have no counter on me, and my stupid watch doesn't work half the time. So, needless to say, thumbs up, Versailles. You did it. Now, the town next to us is called Osgood. They have another trail there called Osgood Trails. I've hit that trail last year with Stormy and Angie. You also could fish there. We was going to go there today, but we decided, nah. So we had to use the restroom, and we pulled in here, used the restroom, and Angie's like, I think there's a trail over yonder. And sure enough, there was, guys. All right, that's it, y'all. Maybe the next video will be a fishing video. I really do not know. I am hoping to go do some fishing tomorrow, but we will see. Until next time, guys, come on. Let's get out of here. Thank you for watching. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think of this trail. Until next time, we'll see you in the next video.